So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you another newly launched base meme coin here, another trending meme coin. Okay, Pioneer Snap 0.049 current price, and you can see last 30 days performance is amazing, nearly $50 million market already, and still this meme coin is no listed on many major central exchanges. So it's definitely possible that we can see it's listing on many major central exchanges, and we can see its market in $1 billion in next year mega bullion. So videos be very special, wearing by how to just for the complete hair. France Spino Snap $0.049 current price. They pumped by almost 150% in last 30 days, 167% in last 14 days, 24% in last 7 days. So performance from this meme coin last 30 days is amazing. Okay, 49 million, okay, $49 million markup already for this meme coin. Still there's no any cent like sale listing for this meme coin. Already markup is nearly $50 million here. So friends, this is crazy. $1.3 million trading volume and all on taxes. Okay, still there's no any central exchange listing for this meme coin. So this is big bang update about this meme coin. 989 million coin supply, all in circulation, and other Solana ecosystem meme coin. Okay, friends, you can see Solana ecosystem meme coin. We are only 35% down the install time. However, they were just 5 days ago, and from install time low, we are 82,000% up here. Coin has already killed 3 zeros since its launching. So performance from this meme coin is awesome. And friends, like you see, still there's no any major central exchange listing for this coin, or any central exchange has still no list this coin. It's all $1.3 million trading volume on Radium exchange, as is Solana, DEX. So this coin has, I think, a very best future, because when central exchanges will list this coin, then we can see its market in maybe 3 to 400 million dollars in short term, because when this will listed on central exchanges, this coin can gain new holders. And friends, you can see their website is also looking good. Pino, the bad boy of Solana. So friends, this is best theme, because in crypto market we see mostly dog theme meme coin, scared theme meme coin, bird. You can see this is bad boy of Solana. This no the dog or cat theme meme coin. So this is good. Okay, and you can check out all details here. My story, the lore of Pino, and you can check here the details. It's this story. You can read more here, because if I told you so all the story, then video will be crossed maybe 10 to, okay, 12 minutes here. These are some central exchanges and its partner where you can find this coin. Okay, so friends, no doubt roadmap is also looking good. Okay, these things are already achieved here, but there's still loads of things remaining here. You can see $50 million market achieved, and next target is to complete $100 million market here. There will be 2x from here. So maybe it's possible, as their team is very active on social media, okay, just like on TikTok, on X. So it's possible that we can see its market soon up to $100 million, and after that we can see its listing on maybe central exchanges. And you can see friends, top 5 central exchanges will list this coin, okay, when they reach their goals. Okay, so this is good. And you can check out all further details here. So friends, no doubt tokens looking good, and website is looking very awesome. So now my price prediction about this meme coin is said, as its current market cap is nearly $50 million here, but friends, still there is no innocent exchange listing for this meme coin. So investing in this meme coin can be risky, because there is no central exchange here, but can be highly profitable also, because when this coin will be listed on many central exchanges, just like MEXC can list soon this coin, maybe CoinX, maybe many other major central exchange will list this coin soon. After that, this market can be seen in maybe $200 million to $500 million, and in next year mega bullion, it's definitely possible that we can see Panu market in $1 billion here, because theme behind this meme coin is awesome. This is the bad boy of Solana, as Solana has many cats, many dogs, frogs, but this is the bad boy of Solana. So that's why this narrative, this theme can be the maybe unique for this coin. And I think we can see its market maybe up to $1 to $3 billion in next year mega bullion, and we can see its major things like exchange listing soon here. What's your review about this coin? Do you think this is legit or scam? Can this coin be the next 500x or 1000x potential meme coin or not? You can must comment down below.